Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark Roden, and in today's video I am just going to give you guys a little update real quick. First of all, Merry Christmas. It's December 27th, I believe. No? 26th? 27th? What is today's date? I think it's the 26th, actually. I think it's the day after Christmas. I can't remember right now. But either way, I haven't uploaded in the past week. I think I've uploaded once. There's a reason for that, man. As you probably could tell based off my voice, I am really sick. I have the flu, I believe. Sister's here. It's Christmas, so my family's all here, and so she's yelling upstairs. But anyway, I've had the flu since last Wednesday. I got it, and at first it was okay, but it was still like, it caused me a lot of sore throat pains. And I think I'm at the end of it now. I've had it for like a week, but the problem is now my body is trying to get rid of all that like mucus and stuff and nasty stuff, and so I'm just coughing all day, and it's literally just like, I don't even want to explain it because it's disgusting, but lots of bad stuff is going on. And so today, I mean, I guess this is technically an upload, but I'm making this video to say, like, pretty much I'm sorry, and that hopefully I will be back to uploading every other day again like normal within at least, I think, 2 days. I think by today's, God, why can't I remember anything right now? Today's Wednesday? No, today's Tuesday, I think. Today's Tuesday, and I think by Thursday, I'll be okay enough to start making videos again. The reason why I don't want to, like, actually go around doing it and making videos right now is because even though, you know, you guys probably think, you know, Mark isn't the most serious YouTuber out there, and I'm really not. You know, I have a really bad editing style. I don't really, this is going to sound bad, but as a YouTuber, but I don't really try as hard as somebody else. I just kind of talk to the camera, you know. I just go out there and I'm like, I want to talk to camera, because the thing is, like, even though I make a living off of this and I live off of YouTube, at the end of the day, I don't need to get rich off of it. You know what I mean? Making a living is good enough for me. So if I'm sitting here, I just want to have fun with it, and I still want to enjoy making videos. That's the whole reason why I started, and so I don't want to take it super seriously and do all that stuff. But at the same time, I don't want to upload a video that I'm like proud of, that I want to make, but then in the background I sound like number 8 is the Corvette. That's about it. All right, I can't make any more videos because I'm dying. I don't want to do that. So I don't want to upload like videos that just sound horrible on my channel and are just bad videos because I'm sick that day and I don't want to try. And like yesterday, dude, I was thinking about making a video. It was Christmas, but I was thinking about making a video, and I literally like took out my camera, started recording, and the intro was like, I'm not going to show you the intro because I've already deleted it, but the intro was literally just me going, "Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark Roden. Today we're going to be going over," like, the most boring Mark Roden you've ever seen in your life. Like, I had to build up my energy for like hours before just making this video, just so I didn't sound like an absolute depressed moron, because it sucks. I hate the flu. It's not fun. Everybody's probably gonna be like, "Oh, you gotta take this medicine, take that medicine." I think at this point it's almost done. I think I'm almost through with it. It's been about a week now. It's gonna be a week tomorrow that I've had it for, and so I think it'll be done pretty soon. I think I'm just gonna ride it out, you know. But it's just annoying, you know. It's so annoying because it's all in my chest now. Like, it started in my throat, and then it kind of like made its way up a little bit, and I got a really bad running nose a couple days ago. But now it's going back down, and now it's just sitting in my chest. And when I breathe in like really heavy, it makes like this weird like noise instead of normal breathing. It's not like like a normal breath, you know. It's not that. It's like I'm sitting there, I'm like it's so weird. I don't like it at all, and I'm coughing every time I cough. It's like it's not like a dry cough. It's like a very like cut cough. Sounds like I'm chopping onions cough. It's weird. I don't like it, is what I'm trying to say. It's annoying me. It's making me upset. I have a fever. I hate fevers. They're not fun. I also have really bad anxiety when it comes to health and stuff like that. I always freak out about that stuff. I freaking hate it because I hate throwing up. Some of you guys might know that, actually, because I probably mentioned it in a couple videos before in the past. But my biggest fears, I have 2 fears. One is airplanes. I hate them. I don't care who you are. You're not convincing me to get on an airplane. I am not going on an airplane. I've never been on one. I do not want to go into a cylindrical tube that flies in the sky. I also hate being like passengers in a car. I hate that. And I think the reason why is because I like to be in control and know that I can leave or do whatever I need to do when I need to do it. When you're in an airplane, you can't do that. You're just sitting up there in a can, and you're praying that this pilot makes it there safely, and you have no control over that, and that pisses me off. So I don't like that. I don't like airplanes, and then I don't like throwing up. That's my other thing. If I will, 1 second. See, I just had to cough up a loogie really quickly there, because I was trying to. So that's what I mean. Like, I don't want to have that happen in the middle of a video. But anyway, yeah, throwing up sucks. I hate it. There's times where, like, if I get an actual stomach bug, I will sit there. Like, normal people, they get a stomach bug, right? They start to feel sick, and then like 30 minutes later, they'll throw up, and then they'll feel a little bit better, and then maybe they'll go lay down, and a couple hours later, they'll go back in and throw up again, right? That's like that's how a normal stomach bug works. With me, that's not how it is. What happens is I go into the bathroom, I start having actual panic attacks. My heart rate goes up to 120 beats per minute. It's insane. I literally have like actual freaking out panic attacks. I pace back and forth. I'm shaking. I'm sweating. I'm freaking out because I know I'm about to throw up, and I hate throwing up that much. And then I will sit in that bathroom, or I'll go in my room and pace around in the room. For like last time I got sick, I started noticing I was like with a stomach bug. I started noticing I had a stomach bug at around like 7 p.m. I didn't throw up until 3 a.m. because I held it in that long. I know it's bad, but that's how my brain works. So my brain is so scared of it that, like, I don't know why, but I just hate it so much. I hate throwing up. I hate the act of. That's the part. You guys know I don't drink. That's why, because I've thrown up from drinking before, and so I don't want to do that again because I hate throwing up. I just hate it so much. I don't even know why I'm telling you. Oh, because my health anxiety thing. Yeah, so this is even worse because now I'm sitting here obviously looking up like, how long does the flu last? How to make flu better? Are flu symptoms deadly? Like all these stupid things that I don't need to look up, but I'm freaking out about it because I hate being sick. I hate any sort of health issues or anything like that. Everything else is fine, dude. I'll go into a biker bar and slap the biggest guy there in the face. I mean, I'll probably be very scared while doing it, but I won't be like literally panicking. But when it comes to my health, I hate that stuff. It scares me. I don't know anything about it, and those bodies are so freaking complex. And I think that's what it is. I think I don't like things that I can't like learn about. You know what I mean? Things that I can't, like the things that I can't understand scare me sometimes because it's just weird. Like, how does that work? You know, cars have scared me in the past, but now it's like, you know, you can learn stuff about them, and I understand how to learn about cars. I don't understand everything about cars, but I understand how to learn about them. I understand how to go about fixing them. You gotta take it one step at a time. My body and airplanes and stuff like that, I don't understand how they work, and so I don't like it. But anyway, yeah, I feel sick today. I've been feeling sick for the past like week. My arm is getting sore from literally holding up my phone to record. Like, that's how achy I am and everything. But anyway, I've been feeling sick for like a week now, and it's getting better for sure. I mean, this part of it sucks, but you know how colds are. You know, you start with a sore throat, then it gets up to the nose, and you get a stuffy, runny nose, and then it all goes down into your chest, and it's just all like phlegm up in your chest, and you have to get it all out. That's the stage I'm on now. I'm trying to get it all out. My body's just coughing all day long. I sound probably like an idiot. I don't know, but I don't sound good. I'm pretty sure of that. So it's just not a good time. Didn't want to upload a video of me being like in a depressive state and not trying at all. Because again, yeah, I'm not like freaking Donut Media. I don't put in like hours and hours of work into my videos to make the best possible freaking outcome video ever. I just talk about cars. But at the same time, you may not understand it, but as a human being and as a YouTuber, there is part of me that's like, I want to make something that I'm going to be proud of if I watch it back myself. You know, if I ever like go into my family's living room and they're watching a Mark Roden video, I want to be able to sit down and watch it with them and be like, yeah, that's me, I made that. And they'll be like, oh wow, that's really impressive. I don't want to upload a video that's like, you gotta try a little harder, kid. Like, I don't want to do that. So hopefully only 2 more days. I know it's been so long. This is probably the longest I've ever had a break. I was uploading when I had COVID still. I had COVID a couple years back, and I was still uploading then. I guess I'm not supposed to say that word on YouTube. I think they demonetize you when you say COVID, but whatever, I said it. But yeah, when I had that, I was uploading back then because it wasn't as bad as this. I don't know what is going on. It's just freaking, it's awful. It's just pain. It's not even really, like, that's the thing that's so confusing is it's not even really like that painful. It's just, there's no motivation to make a video. And every time I think about making a video, I pick up my phone and I start to make it and everything, and I'm just like, this is like, I'm just not happy, you know, when doing it. I'm just like miserable talking to the camera, and so I don't want to upload a video like that. I hope you guys understand. I'm sure you do. I'm sure I didn't have to try to explain it this much. I could have literally just probably made a post and been like, hey guys, sorry but no video today. But I decided I want to explain it for people real quick because this is not like Mark Roden in trying to like like just getting lazy. It's not. I'm not just getting lazy on it. I promise. It's just I gotta take a quick little break, guys. I'm sick, man, and it's tough. It's tough. And I know people are going to be like, well, bro, people go to like manual labor jobs sick. Like my dad has what I have right now, and he's a mechanic, and he's going to work still. Like, well, Mark, why can't you make a video if he's going to work? And it's not really that. It's not that I don't want to work. Like, I worked out yesterday. I'm probably going to work out tonight. Like, it's not that I'm like, I have no energy to like do that stuff. It's more just, I don't want to disappoint people with my content and make my content like sufferable to watch, if that makes any sense. You know what I mean? Because like, my dad is like manual labor guys. I've said it before. I'm gonna say it again. You have nothing but my respect. You guys do insane hard work, much harder than I do every single day of your lives. But at the same time, it's like there's a little bit of a difference there, because it's like you don't have to impress anybody when going to work. If you're coughing up a storm building a building, that's fine. Who cares? You know what I mean? It's like if you're building a building and you're like every time you hammer in a freaking nail or whatever. It's not that, I mean, it sucks for you, yeah, because you're going to be in pain, but it's not like anybody else is going to have to worry about that. But when I make it a video, I got to think about my audience and stuff like that. I got to think about everybody else and make sure that it's enjoyable to watch, which I know this video is probably not a good representation of that, but yeah, I have to do that sometimes. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know you guys are going to understand, so I'm going to say thank you in advance for understanding as well. I really appreciate the support you guys give me. It's like you guys are like a family, you know. I'm just like, hey guys, I'm not feeling good today, I can't show up, and you guys are like, that's fine, Mark, take your time. I'm always just like, God, you guys are awesome. You guys are freaking sick, man. I love each and every one of you. Merry Christmas, by the way, if you celebrate Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas anyway, man. I know you personally don't celebrate it, but just take that blessing from me. You know what I mean? Just take it from me. Just be like, this guy is giving me a Merry Christmas. It may not be Christmas to me, but he's still giving me a Merry Christmas. You know, here you go. Take it. Just take it. Take it. Hold on to it. Maybe you'll celebrate Christmas a couple years from now. Use it then. Use my Merry Christmas then. But if not, seriously, Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever it is that you celebrate. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Happy New Year, too. We're almost at New Year. I probably will be uploading a video before New Year's, but if I don't, Happy New Year's. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Das Vidania, and have a nice night. Call.